I've got KRUGER MATZ Flow 6 Lite, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first we will open IMEI number through the secret code. You have to open your phone dialer, go to keypad, and now enter a secret code which is *#06#. And this is it. As you can see, both IMEI numbers are included here. If you will click on OK, you'll be back in the normal mode in the home screen. And now we'll open both IMEI numbers and also serial number assigned to your KRUGER MATZ through the settings. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to go to the very bottom of the list and pick system. Now you will notice about phone, and here in status you can locate both IMEI numbers and also serial number is here. So that would be all. This is how you can locate serial number and IMEI number assigned to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.